You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind. I'll be the best all time.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Anna Katharina.
I know what a year can change my fear of fame, near the same. Got that voice in the back of my ear to say, don't give up, don't hold back.
Anna is an American swimsuit model and social media sensation. She's widely recognized for her breathtaking bikini shoots.
In the zone, I found in the flow, this sound as I grow, this crowd, you all know me.
Anna was born on May 12, 1992, in United States. She's 31 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Taurus. She is about 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighs around 54 kilograms. Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 36 inches.
Keep 'em low, sneaking though. I'ma be the one creeping up until I'm eating foes. Believe me, ho, you don't know all the shit I've been through. Never gonna take it slow.
Anna was named as one of the top 20 sexiest models of 2016 by Viva Glam magazine. Pretty impressive, right?
Nose into a yes, fuck the haters, second guess. While you know what you do best, take the risk and take the debt. Count the cards and rake the deck.
So, what are your thoughts on Anna? Isn't she absolutely gorgeous? Tell us what you think in the comments below.
You will not change my